Ever wondered how smooth, durable plaster is made? It all starts with gypsum, a natural mineral that's transformed through advanced milling technology. In this video, we're diving deep into the modern techniques used to mill gypsum for plaster manufacturing. Traditional methods involved simple grinding, but today's processes are more precise and efficient. High-tech mills crush and refine the gypsum into a fine powder, ensuring consistency and quality. This powder is key because it affects the plaster's strength, setting time, and overall performance. We'll explore how innovations like ball mills and roller mills work their magic. These machines use mechanical force to break down the gypsum without overheating it. Overheating can ruin the material, so temperature control is crucial in the milling process. By optimizing particle size, manufacturers create plaster that's easy to apply and long-lasting. This isn't just about making stuff. It's about improving construction and design worldwide. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional builder, understanding this tech can save time and money. From residential homes to large-scale projects, high-quality plaster starts with proper milling. Stick around to see real-world examples and tips for choosing the best gypsum products. Let's uncover the science behind the smooth finishes we all love.